Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the primary mouse button to left or right on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Next, we want to tap on mouse and trackpad, and then we go down and tap on primary mouse button. Now by default it is set to the left. You can set it to the right so that instead of pressing on the left button you would press on the right button, and that's it. So that's how you can set it to the left or to the right on the Galaxy S22 series. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.